Unlock Amazon wholesale gold mines by mastering Keepa's powerful charting tools. First, let's dive into the Keepa graph for a potential wholesale product on Amazon. The most important line to observe is the blue one €. That's the product's price history for wholesale business. We're looking for stable or gradually increasing prices. Avoiding sharp drops. A consistently low price, especially when compared to the buy box history, indicates potential profit. Next, pay close attention to the first orange line, the sales rank. A lower sales rank means the product is selling more frequently. We want to see a generally low and stable sales rank, with no significant, prolonged spikes indicating that demand isn't drying up. Occasional dips showing consistent sales are excellent. Now, let's examine the third orange line, €, the buy box history. This is crucial. You're looking for consistency, with the buy box being held by a few reputable sellers or, ideally, Amazon itself. If the buy box is constantly fluctuating or dominated by suspiciously low offers, it might be a red flag for your wholesale venture. Identify periods of stable pricing combined with consistently low sales rank. These are your prime wholesale opportunities. This data indicates sustained demand and a healthy profit margin potential. Furthermore, use Keepa's data to analyze seller history. Look for sellers who consistently offer the product at a profitable wholesale price. Understanding who is dominating the buy box over time will give you a clearer picture of market competition and pricing dynamics. By applying these Keepa analysis techniques, you can confidently identify profitable wholesale products on Amazon and build a thriving FBA business. Master these graphs, and you'll be ahead of the competition.